Well, hi, and welcome back to our YouTube channel, Soaring Together. My husband Ricky and I travel the United States full-time in our RV. We've done this for 3 years now. We just want to thank all of you who have been following us along on our journey. And in today's video, we're back in Tennessee, and we spent some time there at our youngest son's house, and we were able to visit with all 3 children and some of our grandkids, and just had an awesome time. And but today's video, we're going to show you some of the things that we do when we are back there in Tennessee. And one thing that we do is we try to do some maintenance to the truck and the trailer and cleaning. So today we're going to show you a few things that we've done to the truck. So we have the Freightliner M2 106, and just try to keep it clean and looking good and running good. And we're just going to get right on into the video and show you one thing that we did was painted the toolboxes. Today, Ricky has taken our toolboxes off the truck and we are painting them. So I have several coats already on the big one, and I'm letting it dry about 15 minutes between coats, and they're looking good. And we chose the gray color in our DRV and our stripes on our truck for the toolboxes. So hopefully they'll look like new when we're finished. How's it look, mister?
Don't look bad for a redneck paint job. We'll roll this in around that.
So now I'm taping up the handles. We're gonna do what? Believe it or not, I'm not as meticulous as my children are.
No.
I'm pretty meticulous, but
No,
not as much as my kids. My kids got it bad. I guess you could say meticulous or a perfectionist. So we're using a Rust-Oleum hammered paint. And we bought this handy dandy little hand sprayer that you attach to the cans. Perfect. Does an awesome job. I didn't even know they made those things. So, got another coat on, gonna let it dry. So we'll give you another look when we get the job completed. Have our toolboxes painted, and this morning we're getting them all bolted back down to the truck. Matching up all the holes has been a little challenge, but we're getting it done. And this, folks, is our new painted toolboxes. So our DRV has some gray in it, which is a little darker gray than we chose, and you can see the gray in the truck here. So the toolboxes are just a little darker gray, I mean a little lighter gray than the gray on the truck, but that was the darkest gray we could find in the spray paint. So what you think? Looks pretty good, eh?
You think they'd look better black?
No, I think they look better the color they are.
Hey, you know why she thinks that? Because she picked out the color.
And I'm not doing it again.
Yeah, you picked out the color. That's why you think it looks better. Lord of mercy, she wouldn't admit it if it was.
Another project. And what's your project today, Ricky Parker?
Paint these old rusty mirrors.
He took the mirrors off the truck.
Took a mirror.
We just got my side off. You can see there's no mirror on the truck. So he took the mirrors, or all the bar and everything, and he sanded it down because it was rusted in places, and we have repainted it. So the next project is to get some sealant put in the holes and get the mirror reinstalled. Well, we want to thank you for following us along on our journey. And in the next couple weeks, we're going to have some fun and exciting things to show you as we travel up to Indiana and Michigan. So be sure and like and subscribe so you won't miss out on our journey. And also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time we post a new video. We'll see you next week.